Here. Welcome to the Buy Tennessee Dirt training videos. If you're new to the team, welcome. And if you've been with us for a while, welcome back. Okay, so I just went over recently just the repair replacement proposal. So the proposal itself, as I believe I stated into the last video, was it's a proposal. We're recommending we're just proposing that these items be repaired. But it did state at the top that it is not to be part of the purchase and sale agreement. So I typically don't use the proposal because I have a conversation with the other agent prior to putting this together. And so I like to make sure that I just skip the proposal, have the conversation with the agent, and explain to them, hey, this is what came back in the report, and this is what we would like to have replaced. So like I said, I tend to skip the proposal and go straight to the amendment. Just as before, make sure that your binding date is in there and then the address is in there correctly. Then you're going to fill it out as to the best of your ability of filling it out to make sure that you're putting in there exactly what needs to be done, what you are asking for them to make repairs to. So you can read it here. It says, as per the home inspection that was conducted by John Chick Home Inspections on June 11th, 2024, the following issues are in need of repair, replace. And then you're going to put in there what page you're referencing and the item. In this case, we had a chimney damper missing in the dining room area. It needs to be sealed off there's a little goof there, but prevent energy loss. Page 18, 7.1, there was a screw stripped at the electrical panel, needs to be replaced. Exposed splices needs to be put into junction boxes and approved covers. Electrical plates are missing. There was a leaking waste pipe. And then there was some fascia damage that needed to be fixed as well. So you're always going to want to reference back and then be able to also share that report. So always ask your buyers if it's okay if you share the home inspection report with the listing agent so that they can physically go through and be able to say, okay, page 12, and reference back to the actual report itself. So it might take a little give and take with talking with the listing agent, and they, might need to talk to their sellers and see what they are willing to repair to the home based upon that report. So if everything is filled in there correctly and your clients are happy with all that you have put in there for the repairs, and in some cases, the repairs might be something large like a fascia damage and stuff like that. And some might be a little bit, not so big of an issue, like we've got a strip screwed in the electrical panel. It's a minor thing, but our clients had some special, kind of special needs that they wouldn't be able to do that on their own. So we asked for that to be repaired. And then, of course, we would like this done 3 days prior to closing. So make sure you put that in there. And then go ahead and send this over to your buyers for their signatures. And then you will be sending it over to the listing agent. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.